already know that the sum total of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and for quadrilateral it is 360 degree. So is there any formula, or can we find any formula with which we can find out the sum total of angle of any polygon? Let's try. Let's derive the formula for higher polygons. We have 180 degree. So let's write like this. 180 is equal to 180. Now 180 multiplied by 1 is nothing but 180. Okay. Now let's introduce here, because we want 180 here. So 180 we got here by multiplying 1. So let's make some relation. Let's get this one answer with the help of number of sides. So 1. Here how many sides are there? 3 sides. So 3 minus, I have to subtract one number into 180 will gives us 180. So which number I have to subtract from 3 will give me 1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, I will get 1. But why did I have taken 3 here? Because this 3 indicates the number of sides of particular polygon. Triangle means 3. Suppose we have taken, instead of triangle we will take quadrilateral, then this 3 will become 4. So we are deriving the equation of angle sum property of any polygon with respect to the number of sides. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 180 is 180. So this is the equation for triangle. Let's derive the equation for quadrilateral in this manner. Here we are interested in 360 degree, but on the left hand side we will take 180 degree. But this is not balanced, this is not balanced, this is not equal. So what can we do to balance? So if we multiplied 180 with 2, we will get 360. So here we got 2. But let's introduce the number of sides of quadrilateral. So 4 is the number of sides of quadrilateral minus some digit or number into 180 gives us 360. So 4 minus which number will get us? Gives us 2. 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 gives us 2. 2 into 180 is 3. So this equation is for quadrilateral. So for triangle we have 3 minus 2. 3 is nothing but the number of sides minus 2 into 180 gives us 180. Here for quadrilateral we have 4. What is 4? Number of sides minus 2 into 180 gives us 360. So if we know the number of sides of any polygon, then we can find out the sum total or angle sum property of that particular polygon. So instead of 3 and 4, we have a polygon with n sides. So instead of 3 or 4, let's substitute n. N minus, here 2 is common, into 180. So this is the general form of any polygon. Let's take example, instead of n, let's take a hexagon. We have n is equal to 6. So now substitute 6 minus 2 into 180. Gives us 4 into 180. So 720 degree. So in this way you can find out the angle sum property of any polygon when the sides, number of sides are given.